Hey everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz, Asia. We are in Indonesia and it's a sunny day. I just wanna introduce you our company responsible for Asian operations. Here in Bulunmaz, Asia, we have plenty of operations from sales to after sale, product development, the market research. I'm gonna introduce you a little bit of everything, and of course in Bulunmaz, Asia, you can find and have a demonstration of all our products. Diamond tools, jewelry machines, CNC machines, simple or difficult complicated machines, any other products you can see here in our Bulunmaz Asia office. If you are from Asia and you want to get your machine orders immediately, here you can see we have plenty of stock of our machines. We always have a stock of our mechanical machines and CNC machines in our Bulunmaz Asia office. Besides having a good stock in our Bulunmaz Asia head office, we also have demonstration machines. So our experienced staff is ready to introduce you any our machines, mechanical lathes, or here you can see the faceting machine. You know, all our machinery needs a special training, so whenever you are ready to purchase our machines or you already have one, our experienced guys will give you detailed demonstration here in Bulunmaz Asia office in Indonesia. We have daily shipments all around Southeast Asia from our Bulunmaz Asia office. For example, this parcel is going again into Indonesia but a different area of the country. How many islands in Indonesia?
It's 5. Okay. No, total. Total.
We are checking now how many islands in Indonesia. As I know, there are more than 16,771 islands in Indonesia, and of course 5 big islands.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not only our mechanical machines, but our CNC machines are ready also here in our Bulunmaz Asia office. Which machines you keep in stock in the office usually?
This one also.
Mango Master 12 axis,
Yeah.
Mango Master 11 axis. This is probably going to customer, and the second one is also order from the customer. Today we have 3 of our Bengal Master, our main machine, and we even have 1 ring maker, so 4 CNC in stock. So don't think Bulunmaz Asia is just a small office, it's our headquarters for the Asian region. That means we have plenty of stock, training, after sale, any service, as same as our head office in Istanbul, Turkey.
Wherever you are from Indonesia or Asia, we are very welcome to. If you want to visit us in Indonesia, because we have a lot of machine here, and we can do support for your technical everything, and we have a lot of stock for tools also, for machine also. So we are very welcome for you everywhere.
Many countries, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, even Australia, all in a short flight distance, 2-3 hours, you can reach our Bulunmaz Asia office in Indonesia. So you are always welcome to check any products. Don't feel we are just Turkish company. We are in Asia, heart of Asia also. You are always welcome with a 3 hours flight.
Of course, very close.
Flight tickets.
Yeah, no.
Find ship ticket. Nowadays we are starting a new operation here in our Bulunmaz Asia office, that's service of repolish of diamond tools. I want to show you upstairs. Probably in the next video we will have in Bulunmaz Asia, that place will be in total operation. Here we are building a place for repolish of our diamond tools. This is upstairs of our Bulunmaz Asia office, and here we have 3 departments. This will be for the final polishing of our tools, and here will be the metal work of our tools, and we have a storage room here. Everything's gonna be here working smoothly, polishing your tools from Southeast Asia region. We will have probably 3 or 4 guys in continuous operation to give you best service. We have a big stock of our diamond tools here in Bulunmaz Asia. As you know, our product group is 3 tools, hand tools, CNC tools, and wood tools. All these tools are in stock here. Yeah. How many tools around you are keeping in stock in Bulunmaz Asia?
More than 2,000 pieces for all of these tools.
All of these tools, the popular sizes always in stock in Bulunmaz Asia, but if you have any special order, we are shipping immediately every week. We have shipments, so you will not be waiting a lot. And besides, if you don't know about our tools, we have our experienced guys, Hendro, Anga, the other guys here. So whenever you have a visit or you have a video call in your language, Bahasa, English, Chinese? Okay, Chinese not yet. Arabic language. In your language, in English language, you can anytime have a video call, or you visit our office, you can have a look at our tools, try on our machines, learn more about our tools, and of course, in a few weeks we are starting upstairs our tool repolish service, and you can bring your tools, make repolish in one day and get it back use again.
I think for support your production in Indonesia, we have a lot of tools like hand tools, CNC tools and Posalux, and everything is already in stock. And if you want to know how about the result of our tools, we can make a video call and we can send you the samples and everything. And then you can start buying from us, and of course we can give you best price for you.
If you don't buy, we are very sad.
Yeah.
Bye. I hope you enjoy our video in Bulunmaz Asia office. We are shooting different videos also in Indonesian language. You can search in our YouTube channel. You can find videos in Indonesian language about our different products. We will keep you updating also about the news in our Bulunmaz Asia office. I hope one day you have a visit us to take an Indonesian water. We have water.
We have, but only saset.
Okay. Inform before we will prepare.
Yeah, we will prepare.
Don't forget to subscribe Bulunmaz YouTube channel because we are posting continuously to be updated news about our products, about our company, Bulunmaz Asia, our other offices, other new developments. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, Cemal.
Thank you very much. Nice video. See you again in the next video.